Hello and welcome. This is a Laika Kosmo L319 motorhome. I shall give you the cost of this. There you go, 95,000. So you see, you wouldn't have believed me if I just told you. 695 centimeters long, 232 wide. What's good about this? Well, we'll see if we can find anything good about it. I can see some negative things already. Now at this type of price, I think I would be expecting it to be technically a little better. And I'm now going to show you what I don't like. I don't like having steps like that at this price level. Now if the vehicle's costing 70,000, you expect it, but not at getting on for a six-figure sum. So that would be the first thing. The bed here is very high up. Now it's normally a good thing, I think. Depends what you want. There's arguments now for making vehicles lower. Indeed, at the press conference Laika just had, they said that they were trying to keep things below the 3-meter level, so 295 centimeters in height. And one good thing here is that the fuse boxes there, a bit difficult to see, could do with a light. Again, for this type of money, I would expect a light in there. Steps up to the bed with storage in them. Oh, that one hasn't got anything. This will pull back here. There'll be a bit to stick in there, probably in the garage right now, and that will give you a really large bed. And coming to the back here, open this. Haha, it's broken. No, it's not, sorry. Oh, that dear. Oh no, it's alright, it's got a bit of a ledge there. But this here, it's wasted space on both sides. If the people who actually manufactured these used them, they would know that. Window there, window on the other side. Comes with a net curtain which goes across, and you can, of course, you've got your mosquito and your blackout blinds. I've got this here. This makes sense. That's a good thing to put there. If I can open it, and because you're using that space efficiently, and there as well. And there's also a net that'll come across here to stop you falling out of the bed here. I don't know why you think you might fall out of bed this side, but there is a net somewhere. Here we've got fridge, we've got toilet with one of these dafts. To my way of thinking, that should be flat in here. I just don't think these things are practical. But otherwise, the washroom's quite nice. It's got two drainage points in the floor, and it's got a anti-slip surface. So it's not all bad in here. This incidentally is a false wall. That comes across like that, and there's your shower. And again, I'd rather have the shower without the false wall. Although I must say this, there's a reasonable amount of space in there, and you can even sit on there whilst you're trying to get your feet clean. If you do that, of course. Kitchen block, relatively standard, nothing unusual about this. 3 burners and sink, drawers below. We've got. I feel like they're really good. The hinges are good. Storage up there. Once more, ridiculous waste of space there, and round table. I don't think a round table is practical in a vehicle like this. I think it just doesn't use all the space up, in my opinion. Obviously you can sit there. This chair comes out, but I think normally that chair's there so you can keep your feet on it while sitting here. The point of this chair here, I think, is always, because they couldn't think what else to do it. Well, you could put a wardrobe there, for example. That would be my idea. more storage there. It looks as though in some places as though they didn't quite know what to do with the space. I think the height is good, but that's me. Not everybody thinks the same as I do. Obviously, if a vehicle is high, it's going to use more fuel up, and that's something always worth considering. And it's for, I forgot what it is now. Was it every 7 centimeters an extra litre of fuel per 100 kilometers? It was something like that. I can't remember it now, but it was a study made a few years ago. Anyway, good. You got a waste of space there. There's a place to keep the keys. You don't know what they're for. They're foreign coins, and you don't know where they're from. And more waste of space. Let's have a look outside. And have a look at the garage. The garage is quite good. Right, but you can only take 150 kilos in weight. Once more, at this price level, I would have expected something better than that. The door at that side is a bit smaller, but at least there is a door. So there's a door at both sides. So that's good. Charging point here. You can put the 230 through the inverter, through the house battery. That's the German word. What's in English? Habitation battery in English. So you can charge your electric bike up or whatever. Let's have a look from the rear. Right. Okay. You've got a door. It's got a bin for the dog's lead. It's got a window in it. And it seems to be wide-ish. Right, semi-integrated. Yeah, I'm afraid I don't rate that one at all. Now, I'll show you one I do rate though, and it's found here. So there we have this one. It's based on the Mercedes, and it's nice inside, but it has major design flaw. And this one here, this integrated one, mind you, costs a fortune. Oh, this is really nice. This is the dog's private parts. This one here. So anyway, good. So come back to this one I've just done. And so I'm afraid this has got a black mark or red mark. I'm not so keen on it at all. I'll close the door. So thanks very much for watching. If you're interested, this is the largest collection of motorhomes and campervans on YouTube, and so I upload every day at 21:15. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.